Okay, good evening. Welcome to
Math task number 25.
Math Test number 25. So, you picked an interesting looking problem here. 4 minus the square root of 2r equals the square root of 2r minus 6. Okay. What made you pick this problem?
That was it seems interesting. There's a lot of alike terms.
Okay.
So, we could subtract 4 here because we're trying to get the integers on this side and non-integers on this side. So if we subtract 4 on both sides, we get minus square root of 2r is square root of 2r minus 10.
Okay.
Now what we can do is we can subtract the square root of 2r from both sides. We have negative square root of 2r is 10.
I'm not sure what you did there.
So I'm subtracting square root of 2r from both sides.
Okay.
Right, so we have minus 2 square root of 2r.
Equals what?
10.
Why 10?
Minus 10.
Minus 10, yeah. So there's a lot of minuses floating around here. So we gotta be careful about that.
So now we can divide by 2.
Okay.
Just erase.
Sure.
So, negative square root of 2r is 5. Negative 5.
Okay.
Negative square root of 2. Maybe we can get rid of the square root by squaring it. And if we have to square both sides.
Okay, well, does the equation make sense here? Can negative the square root of something be a negative number?
No. Actually, negative square, you can't really, negative, because you're multiplying the two numbers together, you would get a positive number. So this doesn't really make sense.
Okay, why do you think that?
Because negative the square root of 2r.
Negative the square root of 2r.
So
If
if we multiply these, the square root of 2r, if we would multiply both of these together, we would get a positive square root of 2r. Positive 2r.
Okay,
And then this would equal 25.
alright, does that make sense?
Yeah, 2r equals 25.
Okay, now are square roots positive or negative?
Square roots are positive.
Okay, so what about negative times the square root? What's that going to be?
Negative.
Negative. Is negative 5 positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative.
So this kind of makes sense.
Okay, so it does make
So
sense.
we can square both sides.
Yeah.
Positive 2r is 25. So r is 25 halves. Maybe we can make a mixed number, so 12 and a half. R is 12 and a half.
Okay.
R is 12 and a half.
Yeah, and unfortunately we erased the original problem, so we can't go back and check. But that's good work. That's good work. You just got to be really careful with making sure your square roots all match up.
Yeah.
Positives and negatives.
Yep.
Okay, good job, hon.